How much should you really spend on an 8000 BTU window AC? Because here's the thing, cheap ones break fast, expensive ones don't always cool better, and most reviews sound fake. So today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which models actually deliver cool air without the headache. Product number 1, COSTWAY Portable AC. First up, the COSTWAY Portable Air Conditioner. At $296, it's not the cheapest, but it stands out because it's actually portable. Most 8000 BTU units are window-only. If you want flexibility to move it from your bedroom to home office without reinstalling, this is worth a serious look. It has 4 modes: cool, dry, fan, and sleep. And you can adjust temps from 60, 8 degrees F to 89, 6 degrees F. The airflow is strong at 290 m3H, and it oscillates 90 degrees vertically and 60 degrees horizontally, so it spreads air pretty well. Plus, the 24-hour timer and remote control make it easy to use at night without getting up. Now some people complained about the drainage. Since it's portable, you've got to manually drain the water tank, especially in humid climates. Here's the thing though, that's normal for portable units. If you're in a dry area or use the dry mode, it's barely an issue. But if you live somewhere super humid and forget to drain it, yeah, it'll shut off. Still, for the price and portability, it's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you rent and can't modify your windows, or if you want one unit for multiple rooms. Skip this one if you hate emptying water tanks or need ultra-quiet operation. It's not whisper quiet. But for flexibility and solid cooling, it's a great value. Product number 2, Forest Chill Side Panel Kit. Now, if you already have an 8000 BTU window AC but hate the draft, dust, and noise coming through the gaps, this Forest Chill Side Panel Kit is a game changer. At just $42, it's not an AC, it's an upgrade. If you want to seal your window unit properly and actually sleep through the night, this is worth a serious look. This accordion-style filler fits most 8000 BTU units and blocks drafts, light, and noise. The insulation helps your AC run more efficiently, which means lower energy bills. It's made of durable white panels with a frame, and it's designed to snap into place on single or double-hung windows. The package includes both left and right sides, so you're covered. Just note, it's not compatible with LG models, so double-check your brand first. Now some people said there was still a small gap after installation. Here's the thing though, that's why they recommend using foam tape sold separately. It's not a flaw, it's just how window ACs work. You've got to seal it yourself for full efficiency. If you skip that step, yeah, you'll feel a draft. But if you take 10 minutes to add the tape, total silence and better cooling. This is perfect for you if you already own a window AC and want to improve comfort without buying a new unit. Skip this one if you have an LG or don't want to do a tiny bit of DIY. But for the price, it's one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Product number 3, Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you don't need 8000 BTU. The Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool is only 5000 BTU. Wait, hear me out. If your room is under 150 SQ. FT, this little guy is more than enough and it's way more efficient. If you want quiet, simple cooling for a small bedroom or office, this is worth a serious look. It's got a CER of 11, which means it uses less energy than most 8000 BTU units. That saves you money every month. It's also quieter than a refrigerator. Seriously, you won't hear it over a TV. The mechanical controls are super easy. Just twist the dials for temperature and fan speed. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no confusion. And the reusable filter snaps out in seconds for cleaning. Now, some people expected it to cool a bigger room and were disappointed. Here's the thing though, 5000 BTU is meant for small spaces. If you try to use it in a 300 SQ, FT, living room, it'll struggle, but in a 12x12 bedroom, it's perfect. Don't blame the unit for your room size. This is perfect for you if you have a tiny space and want something reliable, quiet, and cheap to run. Skip this one if your room is bigger than 150 SQ. FT, go for 8000 BTU instead. But for small rooms, it's a steal. Product number 4, Hisense 8000 BTU Renewed. Now, if you want smart features without the new unit price, the Hisense 8000 BTU Renewed model is interesting. It's a certified refurbished unit with Wi-Fi, app control, and 3 modes: cool, fan, and dehumidifier. If you want to control your AC from your phone and cool up to 350 SQ/FT, this is worth a serious look. The Connect Life app lets you turn it on before you get home, adjust temps, or switch modes remotely. The remote control works up to 20 feet and the 4-way airflow spreads cool air evenly. It's also got a washable filter and a SEER of 14, which is great for energy savings. Plus, it's relatively quiet at 53 dB, about as loud as a normal conversation. Now, some people worried about buying Renewed, and honestly, that's fair. But Hisense backs it with a warranty, and Renewed means it's been tested and cleaned. The real issue? App connectivity can be spotty if your Wi-Fi is weak. Here's the thing though, you don't need the app to use it. The touch panel works fine on its own. This is perfect for you if you want smart features and don't mind a refurbished model. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with Renewed electronics or live in a huge house. 350 SQ/FT is the max. But for tech-savvy buyers on a budget, it's a smart pick. Product number 5, Polar Elite 8000 BTU. Finally, the Polar Elite 8000 BTU Window AC. It's a no-frills, reliable unit that cools up to 350 SQ/FT with 7 cooling levels and a 2-year warranty. If you want strong, consistent cooling without apps or gimmicks, this is worth a serious look. It's got a SEER of 10.9, which is decent for the price, and it uses R32 refrigerant, better for the environment. The dial controls are simple. Pick your cooling level, fan speed, and mode. No digital screens to break. The 2-way louvers let you aim airflow where you need it, and the washable filter is easy to clean. Plus, the 2-year warranty is rare at this price, most only offer 1. Now, some people said it's a bit loud on high. Here's the thing though, all window ACs are louder than portables. If you run it on low or medium at night, it's totally fine. And for the cooling power, the noise is expected. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, straightforward AC with a solid warranty. Skip this one if you need Wi-Fi or ultra-quiet operation. But for reliable, no-nonsense cooling, it's one of the best values out there. So which one should you buy? If you need portability, go COSTWAY. Hate drafts? Grab the Forest Chill panels. Small room? Media's 5000 BTU is perfect. Want smart features? Hisense Renewed works. And if you just want strong, reliable cooling, Polar Elite delivers. There's no single best, only the best for your space, budget, and needs. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next one.